welcome to Smile Nods Tech Talk. Here working on a early 2013 MacBook Pro. I'm about to replace the battery on it because it's been giving me issues. I see that it goes down to 46%, then it goes down to 0, and it's been turning off my computer and booting it back up, which is really bad for your hard drive information. So after you kind of see that it's doing that, that definitely means that you have a battery issue. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get this started for you guys. All right, here we go. All right, you guys, so battery replacement here. I got this off of Amazon here. Apparently their name is TEMARK. So you can see that there, TEMARK. These are supposed to be really good batteries, really good reviews on Amazon. I put a link in the description where I found this here, so you can actually check out and get the same one I got. So here is what this looks like here. It gives you some screwdrivers so you can actually take apart the cover, the back cover of the MacBook Pro. Apparently they give you 2 of them, so quite nice. And this is the battery, which is fairly large on a MacBook Pro for a 2013 with the motherboard at A1398. These are what the batteries look like. So apparently they have some adhesive here so it sticks down to your laptop here. So that's what that looks like there. I think this costs me about 70 bucks. So not bad for a battery. That's probably gonna last you a long time. I think my battery in this laptop here has about, I don't know, a little over 600 charge time cycles on it, so not too bad. It's about time to replace it anyways. So there is about 10 torque screws here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up here and try to take one of these out. This one reads a 1.2, which is perfect here. The other one I believe is probably the same, so let's check that out. And this is actually a little bigger, so it's a little bigger than the one we started with. So the 1.2 is the correct one to take these out. So let's go ahead and try to take these out now. Alright, I guess we're all done here taking off all the screws. Now it's time to take this back panel off. And there we have it. The inside is of a 1398 board. This here is the battery, as you can tell. And alright, so we're gonna get into getting this battery out of here. So first you want to start off by taking this piece off here. Let me just go ahead and zoom in for you guys. Just this warning label here, you want to just go ahead and pop that out. When you peel this back, want to take this off. Take this off. Take all that off. Take this out of here. And then you want to get this Torx and that Torx removed. Again, we're using the 1.2. So this one here. Down there. Okay. Now that kind of releases this here. Alright, so I kind of figured out the best way to actually take this battery out, because it has adhesive in the back, is to get a flat-headed screwdriver like this. Okay, get some duct tape, get like little pieces like this. What I did is I first started off like this, and I kind of rolled it like kind of once, teared off another piece, and I made a double coating on this so metal doesn't hit the battery or the aluminum casing on the MacBook Pro. So what I did also, if you can check this out, I peeled this back, okay, so you can get underneath this side here, right underneath this here, so you can actually then start prying. I already got this one out, but what I did is I started prying like this. Nothing too fast, kind of take your time, go kind of slow, you know, and basically what you're doing is kind of propping it like this, just slowly, one by one, because there's adhesive here, here, maybe a little bit down here like that, and every cell kind of has one here. So I'm going to try to do all of these here. This might take a little long, but we'll get to it. So check this out. So I'm going to zoom in for you guys and kind of just see what I'm doing here. Okay. Tape is still doing okay. That way you're not touching too much metal with it. And there's that one. And yeah, pretty crazy. Okay. Alright, so off to the next cell. There's actually a little lip on the side here, that's why I couldn't get into it, but now looks like it's doing okay. slowly but surely. Determination's key here. So Jesus. Okay. Oh, jeez. Apple, you guys gotta stop making things adhesive. That's stupid. Battery and adhesive on this plate is not a good thing. Jeez. Alright, now that we took out the battery, I'm going to start putting in the new battery here. It comes with a film on here that protects it front and back. There's ones for the adhesive that we just took out. I might just not take these off just because I don't want to go through that again. But I'm just going to probably peel off the top part. So that's what I'm going to do here now. Let me go ahead and take off this film. Okay. So let's see. So we're going to have to line this up here just like so. Like that. And before you plug that in, you want to put in those little two black screws that we took out before. And there you go. There you have it, guys. Pretty much already installed, all good to go. And then just put on the cover coming up next. On the back plate again, so put this back on. Okay, just like that. And then put on back the screws. Put the screws back in. And there you have it. That's how you pretty much install the back cover there. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, leave some comments down below. You know, if you have any questions, I'll be here trying to answer them for you. So, alright, well, thanks you guys. Tune in for more. Alright, thanks. Bye-bye.